I'm James Spann. This is the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Monday morning, the 10th day of May. After a refreshingly cool weekend, things warm up this week, and really the big story around the nation today, potential for a big severe weather event across the southern plains. Let's check the Skycam images around the network this morning. Feels good out there. That's our Clanton Skycam. Readings are in the 40s and low 50s for most spots. Feels fantastic. Not many more of these left before that long, hot, oppressive summer gets here. How about a look at downtown Mobile, as seen from the battleship USS Alabama in Mobile Bay. And that's the Inverness Skycam. This captured at 4:30 a.m. Goodness gracious, who would be up at that hour of the day? That's looking from the top of the Wingate Inn. We'll check the water vapor satellite shot, and you can see that we've got this trough evolving out west, and an impulse coming from that will set the stage for a big severe weather episode potentially today across the southern plains. And around here, a little impulse might squeeze out a raindrop or two, but I don't think it rains very much. Most folks will probably stay dry. Yeah, it feels good out there. Look at the 40s showing up. Gadsden, 46. The same for Cullman. Haleyville, 47. Birmingham at 51. That's great. Watch warning map. Wind advisories up for parts of the Texas Panhandle, the South Plains, in advance of that impulse that will create the severe weather possibilities, and some winter storm watches and warnings for the Rockies in Colorado and Wyoming. And yeah, buddy, goodness, a high risk for Tulsa, Oklahoma. A moderate risk surrounding that includes Wichita and Oklahoma City, and then the standard slight risk all the way from almost the Rio Grande up to near Omaha, and that would include Kansas City and St. Louis. So Chaser Special there. All the guys with their live streams will be out in full force over tornado country today, and of course we'll watch that with great interest. Tomorrow, just low end probabilities, 5%. That's not even warranting a slight risk north of here. And on day 3, which is Wednesday, got the slight risk out there across the nation's heartland. No severe weather risk here at all this week. And really not much rain this week. No rain at all most days. This is suggesting barely enough to measure for the northern half of the state. All the heavy-duty action out there from the Red River on north up toward Des Moines and Milwaukee. And our benign pattern will continue this week. Today, there's your impulse coming out of the Rockies. That's the one that'll set the stage for the severe weather. Look at the diffluent flow out there aloft around Wichita and Tulsa. And again, here, a little impulse tries to come through, but I just don't think it rains at all for most spots. This is suggesting a deep surface low over the eastern plains, Colorado, and a warm front lifting north. And it looks like the bulk of the showers should be northwest of here with that. And, of course, severe weather, a big possibility for parts of Oklahoma and Kansas. Tomorrow, that big surface low is way north around Indianapolis. And again, around here, I just don't think we need to mention a chance of rain. Partly sunny, warmer, we get up in the 80s. Wednesday, the ridge takes over. Trough out west. It'll be warm and dry with mid to upper 80s, and the same thing on Thursday. All of the wave action stays north and west. Friday, got a cold front north of us, but the ridge is holding it back. And then Saturday, as we kick off the weekend, the front tries to drift in here, and it just fizzles out. And I guess you might mention some risk of a shower Saturday, but, like the recent chances we've had, I think a lot of folks are going to stay dry. Certainly not a big rain event. Could it rain a little bit? Yes, but probably not much. And the same thing on Sunday. The front just kind of meanders northward a little bit. So for the weekend, warm, muggy, a mix of sun and clouds with isolated showers, nothing beyond that. And a week from today, same thing, a stalled front nearby. There could be a shower, but probably nothing widespread. We'll check the end of the forecast on May 25th. Winds aloft are light and variable for much of the nation. That looks more and more like summer, trough over eastern Canada. And again, there might be enough moisture for a shower in spots, but nothing really significant. So as you can see, things are really starting to calm down after that very active April we had. And hopefully We'll get a little bit of rain from time to time, but certainly no suggestion of any severe weather or heavy rain in the next 15 days or so. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog, the next video here by 3:30 or so today. And if you're local to us, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 in Birmingham at 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.